Welcome to AboutWisdom.com, and I'm Beverly Denusis. And my mission is to empower women and girls across the world. The way I want to empower women is to teach them the single most important thing that they will ever learn, and that is to love and accept and embrace their inner beauty, their power, and their heart wisdom. My live seminars are about connecting to your heart and waking up and realizing that you're much more than a human being, that you're a soul with a purpose, and how to contact that soul and learn about your purpose and bring it forward. My seminars are fun, they're enthusiastic, they're experiential, they're interactive, and I might say they're dynamic, and they are entertaining. But more importantly, when you attend an About Wisdom seminar presented by me, the Wisdom Goddess, you will walk away with a new life. You will be transformed. You will be connected to your heart, to your wisdom, so that you too then can bring your wisdom into the world, teaching others this most important accomplishment they will ever have. And that is waking up and realizing that they've got the power to transform their life. So spread the word with me. Use my mantra. You've got it too. And I'll look forward to you joining me at my next live About Wisdom seminar.